Hi, just a short video show this Miele compact C2 Powerline vacuum cleaner. Comes in full working order. It comes with 10 new bags. There's 9 here, 1 installed. Brand new HEP filter, and inside, if I show you, a brand new filter there and here. It does have dust in tight places, and it does have use marks all over, scratches, but it's in perfect working order. I'll show you the head. So the head underneath, because it's metal and chrome, has very slight rust as pictured here, but doesn't affect its use whatsoever. I'll just plug it in. Right, put it on minimum. That's maximum. On maximum, it is very powerful. Just say it almost pulls lino up. It is that powerful. But as listed and pictured, it does have scratch marks all over, but it is in good working order. I do have other vacuum cleaners listed. Please take a look. Any questions at all, please ask. Thank you.